Hello, I welcome you all to today's lesson. So we continue with matrices. We continue from where we ended. So these are the questions that we want to answer. These are the questions that we want to revise through. So this is a 2020 GCE paper 1 for those of you that like knowing where they are coming from. So this is what you need to do. The first question that we are given, we are told to find C transpose. How can you find C transpose? So the matrix which we are given, this is a matrix which we are given. You want to find C transpose. How can you find C transpose? You know that this is a column. It will be changed into a row. So it will be like this, 7, then -1. This one that is like this, it will be like this, 6 and the 0 there, like this. This is how we get to change. So that's how you need to change that part. That's what you need to do. So these are procedures that you need to put into consideration. These are things that you need to know and understand. We go to the other question. The other question that we are given, let me lab this one so that I just work on this same part. So let me do this. So what are you given? You are given something like this. You are told to find x for which AB is equal to C. This is the question. How can you go about this? So what I can advise you is that for you to answer these questions, you just need to follow instructions. Just a matter of following instructions, what you are given and what you are not given. So here you are told that this is AB. This is what? This is AB. So whenever you are dealing with AB, meaning here you are multiplying. So you write your A. A is what? 2, 1, 3, 0. You do this. What is your B? -1, x, 0, 2. You do this. Which is equal to your C. What is your C? That is our C. 7, -1, 6, 0. Like this. So what I can tell you is that you need to follow instructions. Follow what you are given, not what you are not given. Follow what you are given. You follow the procedure which you are given. So I was given that. So this thing which is there, this is just the same as this. I've written this. We've covered on how to multiply matrices. Let us multiply this part. We multiply this part. So we are able to multiply here. You know how we get to multiply. How do we multiply? You say 2 times -1, that is -2, plus 3 times x, that is 3x. You move this same row, multiply to that other column. So 2 times 0, it is 0, plus 3 times 2, that is a 6. You do that. You go down now. 1 times -1, that is -1, plus 0 times x, that is 0. You move this same row, multiply to that column. 1 times 0, 0, plus 0 times 2, that is a 0. You do this. We've multiplied. Hope everyone knows how to multiply like this. This is a 7, -1, 6, and a 0 that is there, like this. After you do this, you can just go direct into getting what you are told. So what are you told? You are told to find the value of x. So you pick this one. This one is corresponding to this one which is there. And the second one, this second one, is corresponding to that one which is there. This is how they are. So with this now, you get this part and this pair. If you check, this is what? -1 plus 1. The answer is -1. 0 plus 0. That's the 0 that is there. This second one is corresponding to that one. This one is corresponding to that one which is there. So they are in a pair. So this first one will go with this one. So you get negative 2 plus 3x is equal to 7, like this. Then you just solve the equation. This is, you get this one equates to that. So then you just solve the equation. How can you solve this equation? You group like terms. 3x is equal to 7 plus 2. This is a negative. When it comes inside, it becomes positive. So this is what you need to do. So this is 3x is equal to 9 over 3 over 3. This and that cancels. Therefore, x is equal to 3. This is what you need to do. So that is the answer. These are procedures that you need to do. So these are things that you need to make sure that you understand. You're not supposed to fail these in an exam. So I want everyone to know how to work out these questions. Let us look at another question. We look at another question. Hope you've seen how I'm solving this. This is how you also need to solve this. So I'm going to give you certain questions that I'm going to test you with. I see if you've understood or not. Just make sure you know how to work out all these questions. So let's say you are given something like this. 2, you are having a 2 there. Let's say you've got a 2. You are having a negative 5. You've got x, 1. There you've got 4 and a 3 there. This is equal to, then you've got your answer there, which is 14 and negative 7. This is where a lot of you were making mistakes. So how, the question is find x. You want to find what? Find x. That's the question. How can you find x? Multiply here. How do we multiply this times that? What is 2 times 4? 8. So say 8 plus. What is the x times 3? That is what? This is 3x, like this. And then we are done here. We go down with this. 5 times negative 4. That is negative 20. Plus 1 times 3. That is 3. You do this. Which is equal to 14 and negative 17. Like that. So how can you answer this? You get this one. You get it to that one on top. So this is 8 plus 3x, which is equal to 14. This is what you need to do. You solve this equation. This is 3x is equal to 14. When this one comes inside, it is minus. Since it is positive, when it crosses the equal sign, becomes minus 8. What is the answer there? 3x is equal to 6. You get a 6 there. So over 3, both sides by 3 over 3. This cancelled. X is equal to 2, like this. So these are things that you needed to answer. These are procedures that you need to do. So this is the end of multiplication. I believe by now we know how to answer questions.